Students, other day we discussed the relation between electric intensity and electric potential. Okay, we proved that E is equal to minus dV by dx. हे वर्ड्स मध्ये कसं सांगायचं? इलेक्ट्रिक इंटेन्सिटी मीनिंग सिंपल वर्ड्स मध्ये स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज द नेगेटिव change of potential with respect to distance. Electric intensity at a point is what? Negative change of potential with respect to distance, or electric intensity is the negative potential gradient. Gradient means change. So electric intensity is what? Negative potential gradient. Ends the story here. One point. After this, हे electric intensity चं झालं आता. We will discuss something called as zero potential and we will discuss the definition of electric potential. We will discuss zero potential. Students, हे assumption आहे, हे practically तुम्हाला neglect करता येत नाही. You have to accept it. For example, आता झिरो पोटेन्शियल सांगायचं म्हणजे काय? म्हणजे बाबा the point, or we'll put it like this, potential difference is the difference between the point at lower potential and higher potential. लोअर करत झिरो पोटेन्शियल कुठं असतो? जिथं लेवल इलेक्ट्रिक लेवल झिरो होते. हे काय कन्सिडर करायचं? दिस इज अ टिपिकल थेरॉटिकल किंवा एक आर्बिट्ररी पॉइंट म्हणतो आपण, विच इज कॉल्ड एज पॉइंट ॲट झिरो पोटेन्शियल. एक सिंपल एक्झाम्पल म्हणायचं म्हटलं तर एव्हरी बिल्डिंग, एव्हरी हाऊस, एव्हरी बंगलो, एव्हरी अपार्टमेंट हॅज अन अर्थिंग. अर्थिंग हा प्रकार तुम्ही शिकलाय. अर्थिंग का करतात? इट्स ओनली ॲज अ सेफ्टी पर्पज. काय असते ते? की एक कॉपर प्लेट जमिनीच्या आत दडली जाते आणि ती कॉपर प्लेट तुमच्या बिल्डिंगला जोडली जाते. सच दॅट वीज कडकडली आणि समजा एक्सेसिव्ह करंट आली तर ती एक्सेसिव्ह करंट तुमचे अप्लायन्सेस, इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायन्सेस घरातले डिस्ट्रॉय न करता पृथ्वीच्या आत निघून जाईल. स्टुडंट्स, हे फक्त सावंतवाडीशी रिलेटेड नाही आहे, सगळीकडे अर्थिंग असतं. इट्स नॉट लिमिटेड ओनली टू सावंतवाडी, इट्स नॉट लिमिटेड ओनली टू टाउन, इट्स नॉट लिमिटेड ओनली टू अ सिटी, अ स्टेट, अ कंट्री, अ कॉन्टिनेंट, बट इट्स लिमिटेड टू द एंटायर वर्ल्ड. सगळीकडे, इट मे बी अ व्हेरी स्मॉल कंट्री like Sri Lanka or a very large country like USA or Canada, सगळीकडे अर्थिंग असतं. म्हणजे कंटिन्युअस एक्सेसिव्ह जी काय करंट फ्लो होते, आपले एक फ्यूज पिन वायर असते, 3 पिन प्लग असतो, लाईव्ह वायर, न्यूट्रल वायर आणि देर इज वन मोर वायर विच इज क्वाईट थिक अँड दॅट इज अर्थिंग वायर. सो तुम्ही इमॅजिन करा, ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड सगळीकडे अर्थिंग केलं जातं. And all earthing means what? The excessive current is made to fall, penetrate into the earth. पण आपण जमिनीवर कुठेही थांबलो, उभं राहिलो, जस्ट लाईक हाऊ आय एम स्टँडिंग, आपल्याला कधी शॉक लागत नाही. इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक अर्थ देत नाही आपल्याला. का? कारण ती भारत माता आहे असं काय नाही आहे, लॉजिक मदर अर्थ आहे आणि असं काय नाही आहे. स्टुडंट्स, बिकॉज जे लँड एरिया, इट्स ओनली 2% द टोटल एरिया ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस, जी आपली अर्थ प्लॅनेट आहे, ओनली 2% ऑफ इट इज बायोडायव्हर्सिटी, म्हणजे लँड एरिया जिथं माणसं राहू शकतात अशी एरिया आहे ते. आणि त्या 2% मध्ये हे कॉन्टिनेंट्स आणि ह्या कॉन्टिनेंट्समधलं अर्थिंग, सो दॅट इज नेग्लिजिबल. स्टुडंट्स, देअरफॉर माय पॉइंट इन टेलिंग यू इज अर्थ इज रिगार्डेड ॲज अ पॉइंट ॲट झिरो पोटेन्शियल. अँड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू अर्थ आपण जे लाईटनिंग, थंडर लाईटनिंग होतं त्याचं व्होल्टेज 770 वोल्ट्स असतं, जे तुमच्या अंगावर चुकून जरी पडलं तर नशिबात नाही, आपल्याला 230 वोल्ट्स टॉलरेट होते. स्टुडंट्स, फॉरगेट अबाउट 770 अँड ऑल दॅट. सो असे हाय व्होल्टेज वेन द lightning takes place, when the thunder occurs and all, when the clouds collide with each other, a very high voltage is produced. That high voltage कधी कधी अर्थवर जिथं नद्या असतात, जिथं पाणी असतं तिकडे ते ओढलं जातं, बिकॉज वॉटर इज अ व्हेरी गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. त्यामुळे सतत ते इलेक्ट्रिक वेव्स अर्थला पोचतात. बट हॅव यू एक्सपिरियन्स्ड एनी earth giving any shock to you, or earth some current getting leaked out of the earth or exploding out of the earth? No, because if you compare the size of land on the earth, then the size of earth इट्स नेग्लिजिबल. जी बायोडायव्हर्सिटी आहे इट्स नेग्लिजिबल स्टुडंट्स, अँड therefore earth is regarded as a point at zero potential. So जे काय आपण धरतो 230 volts किंवा voltage of clouds is very high and all that is with respect to earth, because earth is regarded as a point at zero potential. Next, what is electric potential? Students, what is electric potential? It is the total work done. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे हा चार्ज, एक सिंपल डेफिनेशन देते. दिस इज अ चार्ज हियर. This is a unit positive charge. Unit positive charge means a charge with +1 coulomb. This charge repels it. If repels it due to the force of repulsion. If I want to move the charge against the force of repulsion, I have to perform work. Work done is stored in the form of potential energy. That potential energy per unit positive charge is called as electric potential, which is denoted by the letter V. So electric potential is denoted by the letter V, which is potential energy per unit positive charge, or work done per unit positive charge. आता exact definition काय आहे? फक्त temporary. What is the exact definition of electric potential? Electric potential at a point in an electric field is the total work done to move a unit positive charge from infinity. To move a unit positive charge from infinity to a point in an electric field. I'll revise. Electric potential at a point in an electric field. Electric field is produced by a charge. Electric potential at a point in an electric field is the total work done to move a unit positive charge from infinity to the given point. Total work done to move a unit positive charge from infinity to the given point. That is called as electric potential. Ends the story here. So what is electric potential? The total work done to move a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point in an electric field. Job is over. आता expression for electric potential, which is a standard 3 marks question, students. Integration part येणार. Easy है, don't worry. Expression for electric potential. How we are going to obtain the mathematical form of electric potential? Follow the diagram, very easy diagram. Consider a point O in a medium of permittivity epsilon naught. Consider a charge q at the point O. Let A be any point at a distance r from the charge q where the electric potential is to be calculated. To calculate the electric potential at point A, consider two points M and N. Consider 2 points M and N at a small little infinitesimal, म्हणजे small amount of distance dx. I'll repeat. Consider a test charge, a charge which is very small in size, placed at a point O in a medium of permittivity epsilon. Let A is a point. Let A be a point at a distance r where the total electric potential is to be determined. For that, I take the help of 2 points M and N separated by distance dx, such that the point M is at a distance x from the point O. Students, definition वापरूया, ends the job. To calculate the to calculate the electric potential at point A, consider a unit positive charge at point M. The electric intensity, strength of the electric field, which you learn in your 11th standard. The electric intensity at point M due to the charge Q is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by x square. The direction of the electric intensity at point M being a vector is away from the charge Q. Why? Because electric intensity is force, repulsion. This is the direction of the electric intensity. Sometimes if the unit positive charge is moved from point M to point N through a distance dx, obviously I have to perform work against the direction of the electric force, electric intensity. What is the work done? Small amount It is minus E into dx. Negative sign shows that work is done against the direction of the field into displacement is by very small amount, ends the job. But I am not interested in calculating the work done to move the unit positive charge from M to N. I am interested in calculating the total work done to move the unit positive charge from infinity to point A. मग असे पॉइंट्स भरपूर सेट मध्ये असणार. So we have to calculate the total work done to move the unit positive charge from infinity to point A. For that I have only one work and that is integration. Integration from where? From infinity to point A. Point A which is at a distance r from O of minus E dx. Minus E dx ends the job. घरा आता. Therefore W is equal to what? Minus ला पहिला बाहेर काढा कारण तुम्हाला त्याची भीती वाटते. Infinity to r. What is E? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by x square dx. Ends the job. Constants को बाहर निकालो. Finish. Therefore W is equal to what? Minus 1 upon minus as it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught as it is q as it is. राहिलं काय शिल्लक? Infinity to r of 1 upon x square dx. कितनी तरी we have encountered this minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q integration of 1 upon x square is minus 1 upon x. कदाचित तुम्हाला तर माहिती पण असेल if your 12th standard math syllabus has been begin. Okay, what is the integration of 1 upon x square? Minus 1 upon x. Minus minus plus. Work done q plus 4 upon epsilon naught 1 upon x infinity to r. Then W is equal to q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Substitute the upper bound minus substitute the lower bound. x च्या जागी upper bound घालायचा which is r. x च्या जागी infinity घालायची which is the lower bound. Okay. Next, what we are going to do here? Therefore W is equal to q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon r. Anything upon infinity is always 0. Where does the work done go? It is nothing but the expression for electric potential. Finish. Derivation is over. करते हैं? एवढं लिहा. You get full 3 marks. I'll repeat it again as a revision. What is electric potential? It is the total work done to move a unit positive charge from infinity to a point in an electric field. Here I am moving the unit positive charge from infinity to point A. For that, consider a test charge placed at a point O. Let A be a point at a distance r from the charge Q. To calculate the electric potential at point A, consider 2 points M and N at a distance dx. Consider a unit positive charge at point M. The intensity at point M, 11th standard, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by x square because M is at a distance x from Q. To move the charge from point M to point N, I have to perform work. Work done. Since the displacement is by very small amount, work done is also by very small amount, minus A into dx. Negative sign because work is done against the direction of electric intensity. माइनस ई ची व्हॅल्यू घाला. सगळे कॉन्स्टंट्स बाहेर काढा. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q. Integrate 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x. Lower bound, upper bound. Substitute the upper bound minus substitute the lower bound. You get the expression for work done, which is nothing but the expression for electric potential. Because electric potential itself is the total work done to move a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point. Ends the story. ठीक है? ओके, पुढे अजून जाऊया. भरपूर आहे शिकवण्यासारखं. तुमचा स्टॅमिना पाहिजे मुलांनो. दॅट्स इट. बरं, थँक्यू फॉर टुडे स्टुडंट्स. बघून घ्या एकदा.